How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of social study, and in this video we are going to discuss about chapter number 9, and chapter name is the climate of India. So student, first of all look at this activity. Let's do it. Let's make a weather chart. So student, this is the box by which you can learn how to make a weather chart. So first of all, things you need. The things you need is a chart paper, a ruler, a pencil and an eraser are the things that you need while making a weather chart. And how to play the game? On a chart paper, draw a table as shown below. So student, first of all you have to take a chart paper, and on this chart paper you have to draw a table as shown below. So in first column you have to write date, in second sun, and in third cloud, and in fourth temperature, and in fifth rainfall, and in sixth wind, and in last trees. So student, these are the table, and you have to make table like this. Now look at this. Next, now look outside the classroom. Is it sunny outside? So student, first of all you have to look the outside of your classroom, and is it sunny outside? If yes, then write sunny. Then write sunny. Under the column sun, look at this. If not, write not sunny. Similarly, fill in the other column using the choice given below. So student, look at the choice, and from this choice you have to fill all the column. Now first one is cloud. If your cloud looks clear, then you have to write clear sky, and if your cloud looks some clouds, and if in clouds there are some clouds in, then you have to write some clouds, and if your cloud is very cloudy, then you have to write very cloudy. So student, these are depend upon the weather. Next one is temperature. Temperature. On the in next column you have to fill the temperature. If your temperature is very hot, then you have to write very hot, and if your temperature is hot, then you have to write hot. So according to the temperature you have to select the words. Now look at the next, rainfall. Dry, drizzle, heavy rain. So according to this rainfall you have to write the word from this. Next one is wind. So student, if they are not wind, then you have to write not windy, mild, breezy, windy. So according to this wind you have to write the words. Next, tree, light green, green, yellow, brown. So student, according to the color of the tree you have to write the color of the tree from this word. You can add more column to the table. So student, you can add more column to the tables. Once you have fill in the table, share it with your classmate. So student, you have to fill the table and share this table in your classmate and your teacher. Compare it with the others have written. Do you all have similar charts? So student, and last you have to prepare the chart paper, and you have to compare chart paper with your friends and to show your teachers and compare it with others. So student, now look at the next. Chapter name is the climate of India. As you shown in the earlier chapter, India is the land of diverse landform. Similarly, India is also a land of diverse climate. So student, as you saw in the earlier chapter and in our last video, we have discussed about the diverse landform. We have discussed about the diverse landform. It means there are a variety of landform in our country. In this way, India is also a land of diverse climate. So student, in India there is a diverse climate. There is a variety of climate in every places, and the climate varies from region to region, from area to area, and from states to states. There are places in India that have a bitter cold climate, a hot and dry climate, while still other have a hot and humid climate. But what do man by the word climate, and how is it different from the weather of a place? Let us first understand. So student, the climate of every places vary from region to region. Many places have cold climate and many places have hot and dry climate. So, and while other have hot and humid climate. So student, but what do we mean by the word climate? So student, you have to listen about the cold climate, hot, humid climate, and by what do you mean the word climate? Do you know what is the meaning of climate and what is climate? You know. So student, first of all, you have to understand about what is climate. So student, first of all, you have to read this paragraph. First of all, you have to read this paragraph. The word weather and climate are often thought to mean the same things, but they are different. Weather refers to how hot, cold, cloudy, rainy or windy a place is over a short span of time, like a few hours or a day. Climate, on the other hand, is the weather condition of a larger area over a long period of time, such as 30 years or more. The temperature of a place and the amount of rainfall it receives in a year are two important elements of a climate. So student, first of all, I am going to discuss about what is weather. So weather refers to how hot, cold, cloudy, rainy or windy a place is over a short span of time. You can say it is a mix of events that happen each day in our atmosphere. Weather is different in different parts of the world and change over minute, hour, day and week. So student, weather change over a short period of time. Weather change over a short period of time. Like if your weather is hot and after 1 hour if your weather is cold and you feel cold, then your weather is cold, then the weather means this is weather change over a short span of time, over a short period of time, you can say is the weather. Now look at the what is climate. Climate, on the other hand, is the weather condition of a larger area over a long period of time. So student, climate remains stay for a long period of time. It doesn't change according to the weather. So student, it is the average weather in the places over many years. While the weather can change in just a few hours and climate take 100,000 even millions of years to change. So student, climate doesn't change in a short period of time, a few minutes or in a few hours like weather. Climate is different to weather because when the same weather remains for a long time is called a climate, and the weather means the weather change in a short span of time, in an hour, in a minute, you can say in a day, it is the weather. So student, now look at the next. The climate of places is determined by the various factors, two of the main factor. So student, the climate of region and the climate of places are vary. The climate of places is vary by different factor. Student, first one is altitude or a height of a place above sea level. So student, the place which is above the sea level, temperature falls with increasing height. The higher is the place, the colder it is. That is why Himalaya region is colder than a northern plain. So student, the place or the area which is higher, which is above the sea level, then the temperature is very low at this place, and where the sea level is, where the height or a place below, near the sea level, then the temperature is high at this places. So student, altitude is the factor that determine the climate, of a place or a region. Next one is distance from the sea. So student, wind from the sea ensure that the coastal area have a moderate climate neither too hot nor too cold. This is one reason why the coastal city of Mumbai and Chennai have almost the same temperature throughout the year, neither too hot nor too cold. So student, distance from the sea is also a main factor that determine the climate, because wind from the sea ensure that the coastal area have moderate climate. So student, wind of sea determine the moderate climate. Moderate climate means neither too hot nor too cold. So student, the places which is near the sea, have moderate climate, like neither too hot nor too very cold. This is one reason why the coastal city of Mumbai and Chennai have almost the same temperature. So student, because of this region, because of the wind from the sea, the climate of Mumbai and Chennai have the same temperature throughout the year, neither too hot nor too cold, because the climate of Chennai and Mumbai have moderate. Now moderate means neither too hot nor too very cold. So student, these are the factors that determine the climates of any places. First one is altitude and second one is distance from the sea. So student, altitude means the height or a place above the sea level. If any place is above the sea level, then the temperature is low, and when the temperature is low, then where it is a colder, where it is a cold season. And if this distance from the sea is also a second reason that determine the climates. When wind from the sea, sea's wind also determine the climate of any places, because of the wind from the sea ensure the moderate climate. Moderate climate means neither too hot nor too very cold. So student, I hope you all understand about the weather and climate and the factors that determine the climate. So student, you have to read about the weather and climate. This is your today's homework. That's all, and thank you.